Hey y'all, it's me Austin here from Tucson Red Fan Productions, and I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of this Lasko 20-inch box fan. And you can tell that it's made in the USA, so that's really good. I'm glad that some stuff is being made in the USA now, ever since the dumbass started becoming the damn president. But I gotta cut this open and see what's inside. I bought this at Walmart for about $36. And hopefully it'll work. Wow. So it's a bit more smaller, as you can see, but for something that's made in the USA, this should last a long time. And it looks pretty small, but it's a pretty cool fan. It does have 3 different speed selectors, so you can... There's 3 speeds on it for low, medium, and high. And I don't know if I'm trying to get this in frame. Let's see. So yeah, it's a good looking fan. So I'm actually going to be plugging this in. I gotta take all the safety sticker off first. We'll keep that just in case this thing doesn't work. I know it's send it back. So here's what it looks like. Here's the fan. Now we're actually going to be plugging it in. The reason why I use this fan is because I don't sleep very well at night. And so sleeping is a bit of a problem for me when there's so much noise coming in the background. So that's why I always have a fan on. So that's why I bought one. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Alright. I'm going to plug it in near my mom's working computer. Oh yeah, that brings a lot of freaking air. Oh baby. Yeah, it's a pretty powerful fan. Pretty powerful. And I know this is not really rail fan related, but I thought I'll show you guys, about a fan. Just remember, guys, that this channel will not only be about rail fanning, but it's also going to be about some certain items I like to unbox. So, yeah, for about $35, this is a very good quality product. It's powerful enough, and it will do the job for allowing to bring cold air throughout your house. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.